if you want to set up your TP-Link Deco S4 mesh Wi-Fi system, well, there are a few things that you need to do here. So first is you want to gather what you need. Start by making sure you've got the essentials here. So your Deco S4 units, a modem or active Ethernet outlet, and the included Ethernet cable here, and a smartphone or tablet with the Deco app already installed on it. Now, if your internet provider gave you a VLAN ID, keep that handy here, so you will need to use that later on. Next is you want to get the Deco app here. So you want to head over into the App Store or Google Play Store and download the TP-Link Deco app. Now this app isn't just for setup, it's where you'll manage your Wi-Fi network, check devices, and even adjust settings here in the future. Now when you open up the app here, you'll either sign in into your TP-Link ID or quickly set one up here. So choose one. So this account links your Deco S4 or Deco system to the apps, so you can manage it anywhere. Now, you want to take the primary Deco unit and plug it into your modem with the Ethernet cable. Now, if you don't have a modem, you can connect it directly to the wall Ethernet port. Now, you want to power on both devices so they're ready for pairing. Now, from then on, the app will prompt you to choose a location for the Deco, so like a bedroom or a living room here. So this makes it easier to organize multiple units around your home. So you can even create your own custom label if you prefer. Now, you also need you create the Wi-Fi name and password. So this will be used for every device that connects. So keep the name recognizable for you and make sure the password is strong enough to protect your network. Now, if you purchase more than one unit, the app will guide you through adding the rest of them. Now, place each extra Deco close enough to pick up the strong signal from the main unit. Now, this is how you eliminate dead spots here and create that smooth mesh coverage. Now, once everything is up and running, the Deco app will give you a dashboard view. From here, you'll see which devices are connected, run speed checks, set parental controls, or even create a guest network when friends visit. But that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.